Our vision to provide modern qualitative education to rural world and also to bridge the gap between village and city.
Our mission focusing modern inclusion to education, bringing up new technology and teaching methods as per the market necessity.
Late Sir Anthony Peter Dias, founder of Amchagar, his thoughts. The idea of English education came to me in the year 2000. From that day, I worked for an English medium school in Uttan. In the year 2002, I was successful to start a small school. By the grace of God and well wishers of many, we started the construction of our school building at Uttan, where we have lots of children from the locality at our school. I am proud to say that the education of the school is of high standard. All the teachers, staff, and the principal take good care of the education and other needs. Thank you.
I am Advocate Praveen Patil, treasurer of आमच्याघर. आमच्या घरी संस्था 1996 पासून आम्ही आमचं घर माध्यमातून अनाथ आश्रम चालवतो. आम्ही सुरुवात केली 2 मुलींनी. आज जवळपास 200 मुली आज आम्ही त्यांच्या पायावर उभे केलेले आहेत. त्या वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रात काम करत आहेत. त्याचा अभिमान आम्हाला आहे. या आमच्या घरच्या माध्यमातून आम्ही आमचं घर स्कूल सुद्धा चालू केलं. या स्कूलमध्ये आतापर्यंत आम्ही ज्युनियर कॉलेज चालू केलंय. भविष्यात IT, सिनियर कॉलेज असे वेगवेगळे प्लान्स आमच्या डोक्यात आहेत आणि थोड्याच वर्षात ते इम्प्लिमेंट करण्याचा मनोदय आमच्या घरचे असतील. आम्ही सर्व करणार. आमच्या घरच्या ऑर्फनेजमध्ये आज जी मुलं राहत आहेत त्यांना फॅमिली ॲटमॉस्फिअर देण्याचं काम आम्ही करतो. त्याच माध्यमातून त्यांना वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रात त्यांचे कलागुण बघून, त्यांची आवड बघून त्यांना त्या क्षेत्राचं प्रशिक्षण देऊन त्या क्षेत्रात आम्ही पाठवण्याचा उपक्रम आमच्या घरच्या माध्यमातून करीत असतो. धन्यवाद.
Being grateful is the first step to the universe. And I'm grateful to that one girl who transformed my life. And there are thousands of girls at Amchagar in different ways. Well, I'm Agatha Sushila Anthony Dias, the founder and the managing trustee of Amchagar since 1996. Today, तहे दिल से मैं सभी डोनर्स का, स्टेक होल्डर्स का धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे लॉन्ग सफर 27 साल तक मदद की है. आज मैं ईश्वर से दुआ करती हूँ कि लॉर्ड उनको प्रॉस्पेरिटी एंड अबंडेंस से फिल कर दे. एंड पीपल, ऑल दोस आर लिसनिंग टू मी, आई अर्ज टू जॉइन Amchagar, support Amchagar to save many more girls, to educate many more people and make them self-sufficient, empower them. Thank you so much.
Myself, Sanjay Narayan Sonar, Principal of Amchagar English High School and Junior College, Uttan. My qualification is MSc ML. I have 24 years of experience. I am working this institute from last year. My supporting staff as well as my teaching staff, my managements are very good. They are always helping me. And I want to the overall development of the each and every child and till up to I success in my aim. But I will not stop here. I want to this institute become a very unique institute in this premises as well as in this region. I will always try to improve this school or this institute's quality, even the students' quality too. I always continuously do my work very faithfully. Thank you very much.
The road to success is not easy to navigate, but with the hard work, drive, and passion, it's possible to achieve the dream.
And for the dream of Amchagar English High School, and Junior College, Mrs. and Mr. Dyer's family put their efforts and hard work for the success. We can see the progress of Amcha Ghar institution in its continuous growth.
In the year 1996, Mrs. and Mr. Dias established an organization called Amcha Ghar, that is, our home. Amcha Ghar NGO that provides residential home for orphan and semi-orphan girls from and around Mumbai.
It was well known that children who could converse in English had more confidence to leap in the world in spite of all iniquities. Hence, it became the need of the day to start a school that provided English medium education.
After making a survey of Uttan and the nearby villages, Mrs. and Mr. Dias realized that schools that imparted English medium education did not exist in the area.
In the year 2002, with the support of a trustee, Advocate Praveen Patil, Mr. Prasad Patak, and other trustee member, Mrs. and Mr. Dias took a lot of efforts and hard work, started an English medium school having a standard education. They named it Amcha Ghar School. With the passage of time, it gradually kept growing, and finally it has grown to Amcha Ghar English High School and Junior College.
शिक्षण हे सर्वात शक्तिशाली शस्त्र आहे, ज्याचा वापर करून तुम्ही जग बदलू शकता. हाच विचार नजरेसमोर ठेवून मराठी शिक्षणाबरोबर इंग्रजी शिक्षण उत्तनवासियांना व परिसरातील व त्यांच्या येणाऱ्या पिढीला मिळाले पाहिजे म्हणून 15 जून 2002 रोजी श्रीमती आणि श्री डायस कुटुंबाने आमचं घर शाळेची स्थापना केली.
सुरुवातीला तयार झालेली ही छोटीशी शाळा, त्यासाठी मिळालेले शिक्षक, त्यांचे शिकवणे, निरनिराळे विद्यार्थ्यांचे शालेय कार्यक्रम यामुळे आमचं घर शाळेचे रोपटे वृक्षाचा आकार घेऊ लागले. विद्यार्थ्यांना ही शाळा आपलं घरच वाटू लागली. म्हणून विद्यार्थ्यांची संख्या वाढली. बघता बघता शाळेची 10 वर्षे पालटली व वाढत्या विद्यार्थी संख्यामुळे शाळेचे वर्ग कमी पडू लागले आणि मोठ्या शाळेच्या इमारतीची गरज भासू लागली.
For the future growth and development of school, the management needed a good principal. Hence, in the year 2011, Amcha Ghar added one of the mind-blowing personality, Mr. Sanjay Sonar sir.
He is a great leader. Under his leadership, the school developed rapidly. The school had permission up to standard 7th, but Mr. Sonar brought permission for classes up to standard 10th. He did not stop here, and very soon he got the permission of junior college and various permissions also within 2018 and added many skilled teachers.
The impact of his joining, the school also gave rise to a new school building project. Amcha Ghar constructed its new school building in the year 2016, and all this happened due to the strong support of our school trustees, the Dias family over Mr. Sanjay Sonar. The new building manifested with a new look, more space, more facilities like a science lab, a tinker lab,
A technical lab which makes robots, mobile apps, 3D printing facility, etc. The only lab of its kind in Mira Bhainder,
a library,
with a capacity of 50 students, and a stock of more than 6,000 books.
An isolation health unit,
6 students resting place with first aid facilities,
a music classroom,
a cozy and intimated place with many musical instruments,
an IT lab,
with 40 computers.
techno-equipped classroom,
Every classroom has either a smart board or a smart TV,
a playground,
with sports facilities of basketball, football, hockey, etc.
the staff of well-qualified teachers and so on.
Education is an all round development of a child or a man by body, mind, and spirit.
For the development of body, Amsagar schools conduct many sports facilities.
For the development of mind, it has many on stage and off stage activities besides classroom education, that is, distribution of food, cycle, and gifts, yoga day, President's Day, Principal's Day, Teacher's Day, Children's Day, Women's Day, National Days, Rangoli competition, tree plantation, Guru Purnima, beach cleaning, celebrations like Garba, Christmas, Diwali, and many more.
For the development of spirit, it imparts moral values to the students. Novena of Saint Jude and mass celebration.
सिर्फ सपनों से कुछ नहीं होता, सफलता प्रयासों से हासिल होती है, और यही प्रयास आमचा घर के काबिल शिक्षकगण स्कूल में छात्रों से कराते रहे हैं, जैसे कि खेल कूद, नाच गाने, नाटकीय कलाएं, बौद्धिक कलाएं, वक्तृत्व स्पर्धाएं आदि।
बच्चों का इस तरह होता हुआ सर्वांगीण विकास देख के माता पिता बड़े खुशी से अपने बच्चों को आमचं घर स्कूल में विद्या अध्ययन करने के लिए भेज रहे हैं। इस तरह स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल, व्यवस्थापन आमचं घर बच्चों के विकास का अपना सपना साकार कर रहे हैं।
Time and tide wait for none. Similarly, आमचा घर cannot stop here. It has to move to a brighter future.
So it's planning to get graduation degree college like arts, commerce and science, ITI college, diploma courses like BBA, BMS, MCA and so on. In sports, the work is in progress for hockey, cricket, kabaddi and kho-kho ground, basketball and volleyball court and many more unspoken plans.
For all these achievements, we need a very strong and warm support from each and every parent. Without you, we don't exist and we don't have any existence. So, your care, support and bond with Amsaghar family is a must and inevitable. Thank you so much.